When I first received the mouse and keyboard, the mouse did not work right. I emailed the seller and they immediately sent out a replacement. The color scheme and designs are awesome, and they both work great now. Definitely says something about the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. A+. Definitely would buy from again. This keyboard and mouse are absolutely amazing. My husband and I take our gaming pretty seriously, so when we custom built a computer, we wanted a keyboard that was not only functional, but also cool to look at. Bingo, we hit the jackpot. This keyboard is far better than any we have seen in the stores, and a better price than those bland keyboards. Being able to change the colors is pretty awesome. Today I have opted for blue, my favorite color. Perhaps tomorrow will be a red day equals. This keyboard works great for our gaming needs and I would absolutely recommend this product to anyone looking to illuminate their gaming experience. This was the coolest keyboard and mouse set. Amazing lighting effects. I love this and my friends want this set. Also unique crack pattern all around the keyboard and mouse make this combo really fabulous. You can your TMT compare this $40 keyboard and mouse set and you will get a bonus mouse pad with mechanical keyboards. For the price and effects, this one was the most valuable. The mouse was really excellent for gaming. 4 DPI level adjustable. You can choose the best level for yourself. I love the mouse color. I can make it almost the same as the keyboard. Mousepad was great quality compared with other brand mousepad sold at the price of $7. You get this for free when you spend the money for keyboard and mouse set. I would like to give a 10 star. I received this product for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. All opinions are simply my own based on my personal experience and need of the product.